Welcome back to Urban Ninos. This is your art friend Divya. Today I'm here with a different kind of a drawing. Since Father's Day is around the corner, I thought of sharing some nice ideas for Father's Day's card for our superheroes, our dad. So let's begin. We'll first start by drawing a curve like this, and then like this. Then two small curves from either sides, and we draw two parallel lines. Between the lines we'll be making two semicircular shapes. And a curve for the smile. A circle and just partly fill it. Then make two curves. Okay, another semicircular shape here. Then we'll make the legs and the shoes. For the fingers, you'll just make these small curves, and the thumb. Then we'll make a diamond shape here. Which I'm sure you all know what we'll write. We'll write that. And then finally we'll make the cape of our superhero. Then we open the card, and inside we will write you are my SUPERHERO. Super. This is what I wanted to write, so I've written this. You can write something else. Maybe you are my super dad. You are the best dad. Or whatever. And then we say happy. Father's Day. I'm sure your dad's going to like it. Do color it.